Muyange site, commonly known as Peace Village, where the head of state carried out this morning community works, harbors different categories of people. Some have been repatriated, others displaced, and the last category is made of the population who haven't left their respective houses during the crisis. Those people leaving the peace site belong to different ethnic groups. Community works then consist in gathering bricks for the construction of houses for very poor people living in huts. Shortly after community works, Burundi president washed the feet of the population before he provided them with shoes. The shoes granted to that population of Muyange site is a donation of an American organization known as Samaritan's Feet. According to President Nkurunziza, the act performed has got a double meaning. It is first of all a humility sign which is supposed to characterize an authority worth to be called a leader. It is also an appeal or mobilization to the population to make clean their bodies, disclosed Pierre Nkurunziza.
Normally, they have many times see presidents, administrators, even governors. They never seen that they can come and wash their feet. It's the first time to Burundi. This is an event which can be forgotten in Burundi because it's the first time as a president. I give an example. It's a kind of humility to show that even you are a president, you can wash the feet for your people. I am the president, and I think that on my heart, when I am president here, tomorrow I will not be the president, but the people will remember what I have done for them, and it will be a good example, and the others can continue our way. So humility is very important to help our people. We are servants of our people, not the people is going to serve us, but we are here to serve our people, even to wash their feet, to build their schools, to build their houses. We are there for them, and they are not there for us.
The Samaritan's Feet organization has brought 2,000 couple of shoes for all Bubanza province, among others 1,000 intended to Muyange site. The aim is to distribute 500,000 couple of shoes to Burundians in a period of 3 years. That operation has been organized in 50 world countries. In total, 10,000 couple of shoes would be given to 10,000 children in a period of 10 years. Presently, 3 million children have already benefited the donation. Some of the beneficiaries expressed his gratitude for the donation, indicating he has so long wished to have such beautiful shoes, and now his dreams are fulfilled. It's worth to note, in his way back to Bujumbura, the President of the Republic joined the residents of Muzinda commune in the activities relevant to the extension of a communal college of Muzinda.